Hello and welcome to this video where I explain the adjustments and the limitations of a basic member profile. At first, let's see how the profile looks like. For this, click on your profile picture and then on Profile. So this is your profile as a basic member. You can see tabs as Full Description, Price List and Schedule. On the left is your name, underneath is a blue basic member tag, and under that your rating that should be visible after the students rate you. After that you have teaches. This is your language that you teach, and speaks are the languages with that you coach. I will explain this also later when we adjust the settings. Other fields are meeting platforms, payment options, about you section or short description, and your followers, but for this you have to be a pro member. So let's dive right in and go to settings in order to adjust the profile. The first tab is basic info, then full description, schedule, payment options, meeting platforms, languages and more. So let's begin with the basic info. You can update your profile picture by clicking at the change profile picture button. Also you can change your address. And when you scroll down, you see that you can change the short description. This is the text that we added during the registration. Of course, you can add new info and click on Save Changes. Let's see how it looks like on the profile. So you can see the new text here. Let's go to settings again. The tab Full Description is the next one, and you can update your full description, and it's only visible on your profile, but this is only for pro members. Next is the Schedule tab. You can add a new availability by clicking on a specific day, and let's say Monday, we will start at 7:15 and finish on 10:15. If the time doesn't show right away, you can click on Refresh. Let's do another one on Tuesday. Okay, so we have two availabilities, and let's see how it looks like on the profile. This is what students see when they visit your profile, so that they know when to reach you and what time you are available. The next tab is payment options. And note at this point, here you can select payment options, how students can pay you for your classes. As a basic member, you can select just one. You have the option to select all as a pro member. For example, I selected PayPal, and if I try to select another option, I will get an error message because I'm currently a basic member. The next tab are meeting platforms. At this point, also note, with this selection, you let the student know what meeting platforms you prefer. So you can select here also only one option. And this is visible on your profile under meeting platforms and payment options. So let's go to languages and more. Here are three tabs: teaching languages, coaching languages, and specialized classes. Teaching language is the language that you are teaching. In this case, it's German. You can add another teaching language only if you are a pro member. Let's add a lesson for this existing teaching language. Click on Level and Price, then on Lesson, then select the level if the class is individual and the price, and then click on Confirm. This is now visible on your profile under Price List. So you see here German level, A1 is individual and the price. Let's go back to settings and add a coaching language. A note here, this is a language in which you teach the teaching language. So let's say you teach German and you teach it in German. For the coaching language, you can select if this is your native language. And after adding, this is visible on your profile under Speaks. And you can add more coaching languages if you are a pro member. Next are specialized classes. You can add this classes only if you are a pro member. And this is meant for specific classes. For example, when you are experienced in IT, you can teach a student the specific vocabulary on this specialized class. So we updated the profile as basic member. See you then in the next video where I explain how can you use the chat as a basic member.